Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn a new word, and first we'll learn a new word in my story that I'm going to read to you, and our lesson today that I would want us to learn and then be able to use it. So we are going to read a book called "I'll Do It: Taking Responsibility" by Brian Moses and Mike Gordon. And after the book, we will learn how we can be responsible. Responsible will be our words. Everyone say responsible. Good. Responsible. Say it again. Nice. In school and at home. We're going to learn how we can be responsible in school and at home. Responsible. Everybody say it with me. Responsible. Responsible. What does responsible mean? Responsible means it's something you're supposed to do. It's your job. You have to do it. You have to be responsible. Responsible for your things that you bring to school. Say your school lets you bring in, say at preschool, if you remember preschool, since you're in kindergarten, if some of you went, some of you would have like an electronic you could bring in. That means like a tablet, or some of you even had phones maybe you could bring to school and use when you had a free like toy time, or you are responsible to bring that home. That means you have to take care of your things. Responsible for taking care of the materials at school. You are responsible. It is your job to make sure that you are taking care of the school computers. Would you want to smash your fingers on the keyboard and then the little keys come off? Would that be responsible? Yeah, no. Breaking the computer or messing up the computer is not being responsible, because then maybe someone has to pay for that and no one can use it for the rest of the day. Responsible also for your mess. You have to be responsible for cleaning up after yourself, keeping your desk clean. You are responsible for your mess and cleaning up. So we are going to work with a partner. You're going to turn to a partner and talk about what you have a responsibility. You are responsible. You have a job to do. You are responsible at home to do. What you're going to say to your partner is, I have a responsibility to. I am responsible for, and then answer that question to your partner. So go ahead. You are responsible for. Okay. Now turn to the next partner. You say, you are responsible for. At your home, what are you responsible for? Good job. Okay, so you are responsible for feeding your dog. Okay, that is a job you have to do. You are responsible to take care of your dog. So I want you to think about that word, responsible. Say it with me. Responsible. Responsible. You have a job to do at home. I want to see if you have the time in your day, or if you notice in your day that you can use this word when you're at home. At home. So when you're at home, if you see a chance that you can use the word responsible, try to use it. Come back to school and we will share it. So I will be responsible for feeding my birds when I get home. But I will let you know tomorrow while I listen to yours too.